Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to lower your volume in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. And now from here, in order for us to lower the volume, we have a lot of options and a way to do that. So first, let's select our clip right here. And you can also press your G key on your keyboard, and this would pop up while you are selecting your clip, and you can set the adjust gain right here. If you want to lower it, then you can go for negative values such as -5. Then this would lower its volume by 5 decibels, or you could just select your clip and go here into effect controls, and you can go here into the level, and it's basically the same. You can go for -5 or any negative value, and it will lower the volume of your clip or your video. So you can also do it like this, or if you want to have a graph like in the volume so that you can control when it goes up and when it goes down, then you can do this. So let's first expand this by holding my Alt key and plus sign key, and then just like that we can expand the volume. I mean this one right here, the graph of our clip right here, the audio clip. So let's first select our pen tool right here, or the P button, and we can do this right here. So when we select on our audio clip, as you can see, there is a dot right there, and we can do it like this one, and we're gonna drag this up, and as you can see, there is now a graph. And what this would do is that it would make the transition from a normal volume until it goes up just like that, or you could do it like this into a lower volume. And this is good for when you are doing dialogue. So when there is no dialogue, then you can go and set it for normal volume so that there will be music, and when there is dialogue, then you can turn up the music just like this one. I mean lower the music when like this when someone is speaking, but if not, then you can just put it to normal. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.